Today's project starts with some very cool Jim RGB case fans, an old retired HP Compact 8300 Elite, and a Donor old school gaming mid-tower case. So pitter patter, let's get at her. Well, this one's a stinker, boys. Someone smoked many cigs in front of this puppy, and it's hard to kill the smell unless you clean every part or replace a bunch. So I'm definitely replacing these 80mm fans with some quieter, stronger, cooler ones like these. Jim KB24 RGB fans, friends, budget friendly but amazing in every which way, easy to install, and tons of features like music modes, wireless remote, fan speed, brightness control, motherboard sync, and so many other modes built right in. I got these from Amazon. It's like receiving a party in a box. Whether you have a new PC or an old PC, they are a great upgrade. Now, only if I had a decent Mobo to toss in this PC, and then it hits me. I have two of those old HP 8300s lying around needing some love. Even though these once were marketed as business computers, I believe we can get some gaming performance out of them. Now, however you choose to harvest the parts out of your old HP is up to you, as there are other ways to go about this. I just thought it'd be fun to try it this way. Yes, the old Mobo swap. Why didn't I think of this sooner? I already had the power supply adapter needed for the swap, and a brand new RSCAN 500 watt 80 plus bronze around here somewhere. This next step could have been avoided using zip ties if I would have installed the rear fan before installing the motherboard. That way I could have drilled the holes and cleaned up any metal shavings, but that didn't turn out bad at all anyways. And that, my friends, is the fun of tinkering, just improvising on the fly. If you do this, I hope your hot glue job turns out better than mine. The IO shield will stick to the case and not the motherboard. I also swapped out the tester power supply to a 500 watt bronze in case I want to switch to a beefier graphics card in the future. Man, I'm getting excited about this, really. Yeah, I hope you are too. Well, thanks for watching, and oh, you want to see it play some games? Well, okay. Roll that footage. Well, shebang, shebang. This old HP and Jim RGB case fans paired up with that old school case jive well with a Core i5 3470 and a GTX 1050. This was a blast. Check out the links in the old description. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. I got a feeling I'm going to be testing this one for a while. This is fun.